You've probably heard this before. Just take collagen supplements and your skin will bounce back like it's in its 30s. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. That one-size-fits-all advice is actually a myth. And for millions of women over 50, it's doing more harm than good. Because there's a dangerous misunderstanding about how collagen works. And if you're doing this one common thing, you might actually be speeding up the signs of aging without realizing it. In this video, we're breaking down the #1 collagen mistake most women make after 50, and what you should be doing instead to truly rebuild and protect your skin, joints, and energy. Let's get into it. Section 1. The myth that collagen supplements are always enough. Collagen supplements have exploded in popularity. You see powders, capsules, and even collagen-infused drinks everywhere. And while they can be helpful, they're not magic on their own. Here's why. Collagen is a protein made of amino acids. When you take it, your body has to break it down first. And whether or not it rebuilds into collagen again depends on many other factors. If your body doesn't have enough of the right cofactors like vitamin C, copper, zinc, or if your hormones are off balance, that expensive collagen powder might just pass through your system with minimal benefit. And yet millions of women over 50 rely on it alone, thinking it will reverse aging. That's the myth. Section 2. The hormonal link no one talks about. After menopause, estrogen levels drop. Estrogen plays a crucial role in stimulating collagen production. Studies show that women lose up to 30% of their collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. So what does that mean? Even if you're taking collagen supplements, if your estrogen is low and unsupported, your skin won't rebuild collagen efficiently. That's why many women feel like their skin suddenly collapses or gets thinner, drier, and more wrinkled after 50. It's not just time, it's biology. That's also why hormone balance and supportive nutrition are key. Section 3. Collagen doesn't work alone. Imagine collagen as a brick. You need mortar to hold those bricks in place. In your body, that mortar includes vitamin C, which helps enzymes create and stabilize new collagen silica, for skin elasticity, zinc, for tissue repair, omega-3s, which keep the skin barrier strong and moist. Without these nutrients, collagen supplements are like building a house without nails or glue. That's why some women take it for months with no real results. And let's not forget lifestyle factors. Smoking, sugar, chronic stress, and poor sleep all destroy collagen faster than you can rebuild it. Section 4. The real fix, backed by science. So what should you do? Here's what actually works. Support your hormones. Talk to your doctor about safe estrogen support or alternatives like phytoestrogens, found in flax seeds, soy, etc. Focus on gut health. Your body can't absorb nutrients if your gut is inflamed. Add fermented foods, prebiotics, and fiber to your diet. Pair collagen with vitamin C, always, whether it's from citrus fruits or a supplement. Limit sugar and processed foods. Sugar binds to collagen and makes it brittle. Move your body, resistance training and walking, both stimulate natural collagen production. Sleep well, collagen rebuilds at night. Aim for 7-8 hours. This is the difference between relying on a quick fix and building real, lasting strength from the inside out. Section 5. What most women wish they knew. Sooner many women say they wish they had understood collagen differently. It's not a miracle powder. It's a system that needs multiple parts to work. Your hormones, your gut, your diet, your stress levels, they all play a role in whether your body produces and protects collagen. If you've been taking collagen and seeing no results, it's not your fault. You were sold a simplified story, but now you know better. And that means you can finally start seeing results that last. Closing. Aging with power, not panic aging, doesn't have to mean sagging skin, aching joints, or low energy, but it does mean getting smarter. Understanding the full picture. Collagen isn't about beauty trends. It's about strength. Skin that heals. Bones that hold you up. Muscles that move you. It's the glue that keeps you you. So let's stop falling for shortcuts. Let's rebuild from the inside out. If this helped you rethink your routine, hit like and share it with another strong woman over 50 who deserves the truth. You're not falling apart. You're rebuilding wiser.